The goal of this lesson is to highlight some of the information that is literally at your fingertips as you code in the code window. Since writing code is the most important aspect of creating applications, you should be aware of all the ways that VisualStudio.net provides hints and clues to help you recall what you need to type next. And therefore, this is the first of several lessons that's focused on all the functionality provided to assist in helping you write code efficiently and correctly. In this lesson, we'll also provide some tips on navigating through the lines of code using only the keyboard. These keyboard tips will allow you to be more precise and to navigate to the exact location where you need to add or remove code. I personally use each of these shortcuts on a constant basis. Obviously, trying to explain keyboard shortcuts is a little problematic since you can't see my hands. Just imagine in your mind these keyboard strokes, and or perhaps open up Visual Studio yourself and follow along as I explain these. The first keyboard shortcut that's useful is the Control tab. You hold down the Control button and then select the Tab key, and when you do, you can traverse through all the open tabs in the main area. This is useful so you don't have to pick up your hands and go to the mouse each time that you want to navigate to a new tab. The next keyboard shortcut is the use of the right and left arrow keys in conjunction with the Control key. So what I'm going to do right now is hold down the Control key and then watch my cursor as I use the right arrow. It moves to the first position of every major word or statement or character within my line of code. So I'm able to jump very quickly back and forth this way, and this is a big time saver when I want to navigate. And again, I don't have to lift up my hand, move to the mouse, and click on something. Now, what I'm going to do next is actually will use the mouse to expand this web form designer generated code just so we can get some more code in the main area. And this is the use of the Control button in conjunction with the up and down arrows. When I do this, what happens is my position does not change. Notice that my cursor still stays on the line that says end sub, but what I'm able to do is move the viewing area of the code up and down accordingly. Now, if I remove my hand from the Control button and just use the up and down arrows by themselves, I'll actually move to a different line of code. But again, now to the clipboard ring. And if we had 20 different things, we could go through them all and select the appropriate one, and then it would be permanently pasted into our section of code. Alternately, if I really did want to use the mouse, I could do the same thing by going to Edit and Cycle Clipboard Ring, but that's not a very efficient way to do it. If I were you, I would either use the keyboard shortcut, the Control, Shift, and the V, or just simply go to the toolbox and drag and drop what you want into place. And so we'll put this comment here at the end, here. So if you missed any of these keyboard shortcuts, don't worry. If you look on the page for this video lesson, there is a summary of all the keyboard shortcuts that were displayed here and what their purpose is. So we hope you enjoyed this video.